The morning light exposed the chaos that was once my carefully curated world: broken frames, scattered papers, a life in disarray. It was the culmination of years spent chasing someone else's definition of success, only to crash into a wall of my own making. But as I sat amidst the wreckage, something sparked within me, a realization that these ruins didn't signify the end, but rather a fertile ground for rebirth. With each piece I picked up, I unearthed a forgotten passion, a lost dream. Every failure had been a seed, every tear, a drop of rain nourishing the soil of my potential. I began to rebuild, not as a phoenix rising from the ashes, but as a gardener, planting intentions with care and nurturing them with newfound wisdom. The garden of my dreams flourished, vibrant and authentic, reminding me that sometimes life has to fall apart for you to find the courage to create something even more beautiful. In the end, it was the brokenness that gave me